365 days of the year, I am grateful for this day and all of you. So I'd just like to say thank you so much. You bring us so much joy, not only today, but every other day as well.
Oh no! Hiya! Happy family day! How are you? Morning.
Thanks for the
Brilliant as well.
Did you all score coming back?
The winner of the Simrad unit.
I would like to thank all of our customers and family, those of you with new boats, old boats, boats in production and future boats. So you're the driving force for why we do what we do, and we literally just can't thank you all enough.